Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71 of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. In this issue, we will be starting the second door, the passenger door, the right side door, as they say. Basically, we're repeating what we did a few issues back with putting the locks on, putting the lights in, putting the light brackets in, and then making up the closing strap. And that's that for that. Next time, in the next delivery, we'll be doing the rest of it, putting the windows in, putting the window in, and then carrying on from there. Looking at behind the scenes, saving the DeLorean time machine, documentary about the restoration of the DeLorean. I've got this DVD, Blu-ray, but I haven't watched it yet. But I will do at some point. It's quite interesting. That's obviously saving the one that was used in 2021. Yeah, that's quite interesting. I shall have a look at that. Doc's machine, it's a refrigerator. Yeah, in 1985, he invented the refrigerator. There we go. Right, so next time, I think that's not right as well. That's the time after. Next time is the one that it said was going to be this time, but wasn't. They changed the order of things. So we're probably getting... Yeah, no, it probably is that. Last time it said it was going to be something different cables that we've already got. So it probably is that one. The cables, the windows, putting that in, and then it will be the outside bit, and then it will be attaching it, and then, yeah, we'll get there. In the next issue, next delivery, we'll be fitting the second door as well. So let me look at these parts and get the interior of this door built. Right, you may have noticed that I've already built this. There was a problem with the video recording, which I've just noticed. I'm not going to take it all apart again to rebuild it. I would, but you've already seen me do this. So if you do want to see what I've done here, just go back and watch the previous door one. And I did it the same again, but the other way round. So we've got on here the two red and one orange light held in place with little brackets ready for the bulbs to be inserted into that. That was quick and easy. Oh, the other first thing was the door latch pieces have gone on there. And then I've installed the closing strap to there, again with two screws, and the door controls on there as well. So that is another build done, another episode done, and indeed another delivery done. So apologies for not showing you all of the build, but you've seen it all before. So it's not, if it was something that was unique, I would have taken it back apart again and refilmed it for you, but no point. You've seen it, so you might as well, you know what happens on there. Now, that is the last, as I say, of this month's deliveries. I say month's deliveries. Fanhome are being very, very good and sending these out faster than a month. So very soon I should be doing the next part of this, which you've already seen anyway. That's going to be fitting the bulbs to that. And then next up will be the window and then the outside door panel, and then fitting that to the body panel itself. And then something else. I don't know what else is going to happen after that, but you'll find out, no doubt, very, very shortly. Thank you very much for joining me on this. Special thanks to Fanhome again for sending me out this kit. And other than that, yeah, stay safe. I'll see you for more part works between now and then, but see you soon for the continuation and indeed finish of this door. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.